Hello everyone, today I am going to show you 8 different modern house elevation designs. Each one has unique style, color and material. Let's look at them one by one to help you find the best look for your dream home. First, we have this very bright and energetic design. It uses a bold mix of purple and orange on a white background. Notice the unique orange pillar in the center and the stone tiles on the ground floor. It even has a religious symbol on the front, Ganapati symbol. Make it feel very personal. This is perfect if you want your house to stand out in the neighborhood. Moving to the second design, this one feels much warmer. It uses wooden wall cladding and bright yellow asset. The glass balcony look very modern and clean. I really like the black pattern jolly work next to the wood. This one. It adds a nice artistic touch. This is a great choice if you like natural textures. Number three is all about lighting and elegance. This house uses lights beige color and with horizontal grooves on the wall. The highlight here in the warm light LED lighting that makes the house glow at night. The wooden ceiling under the roof adds a premium hotel-like feeling to the design. Next, it's a very cool and masculine design. It's a dark gray and black frame to create a boxy modern shape. The balcony is very deep, which provides a great shape. Side, you can see a mix of wood and white stone on the side. This is very popular contemporary style right now. The 50 design is very unique because of curved white border. This one. Instead of sharp corners, the main balcony has a smooth rounded edge. It uses a lot of glasses and vertical wooden slats for privacy. It looks like very high end and futuristic. The design number six is a mix of modern and traditional. It features a slanted A-frame roof covered in wood. The orange style roof over the driveway gives a classic look, but the glowing LED borders around the balcony keep it looking modern. This is perfect for areas that get a lot of rain. In the seventh image, we see a very creative use of material. It has dark wood, gray stone, and blue accents, all in one building. The white vertical fin on the left makes the house looks taller. This design has a lot of different levels and boxes, which make it look very interesting from the street. Finally, we have this very clean and minimalist design. It uses a white base with the brown wooden panels. The small square windows on the each side add a nice rhythm to the walls. The top floor has a simple pergola roof, which is great for a terrace garden. It is simple, stylish, and very easy to build. So, which one was your favorite? From the bold colors of the first house to the clean lines of the last one. There is something for everyone. Let me know in the comments which design you would choose for your home. Thanks for watching. For more house plans, elevation designs, and interior design ideas, check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in Play Store. The names are House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, DesignNest, and PlanNest. Check out and install our apps now. Thanks for watching.